Alright guys, so we're going to start to work on the front end now. Alright, so we're going to deal with the views. We're going to add job forms, the job list, things like that. First thing, let's deal with this home page. Alright, so basically I'm going to keep the overall look here. I'm even going to keep this Jumbotron area. I'm just going to get rid of this and this. I'm going to keep these four boxes. Alright, so let's see, we can close all this out, and now we're just going to be working in not this app folder. We want to go into public and then modules. Okay, now this all has to do with Angular, with our front end. All right, this core folder, this is where you can find in the views, you can find the header.client.view and home.client.view. all right, so in the header you can see this is basically where the nav bar is. So we can change this here to job finder and save, and that should update. Yep. Alright, let's see what else we have here. Now we're going to want a jobs menu item. Let's see. Actually, no, we don't add that here. That's right. The menu actually has its own service. If we look at services, you can see menus.client.service. So we'll be adding them through that. And then what else is here? We're going to keep all this stuff. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the header. Yeah, it's just really the nav bar. If we go to home.client, that's where we have the big Jumbotron and all that stuff. So let's see, I want to get rid of that image and replace it with my own image. Let's see, I have the image on the desktop, and I'm going to put this image into public, modules, core, and then IMG and brand. Okay, I'm going to overwrite that logo with this one. Alright. Okay, now we have a different logo. And let's change this text right here as well. Okay, so that's right here, and we'll change this to register to browse and post jobs. Alright, and then the text here, we'll change this to register now, and the link is going to go, the link's going to go to our sign up page. So it's going to be slash the little hashtag character exclamation slash sign up. Okay, register now. Alright. Why isn't that? Wait a second. Oh, because we're already logged in. It opens in a new tab, which I don't want, so we got to get rid of this target blank. Alright, and then down here, I'm just going to keep this stuff. So that div to that ending tag. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this. Okay, I'm going to keep all that, and then I want to get rid of the stuff in this well div. And we can get rid of this little text in the footer here. What's cool, when I save it, this automatically reloads. That's Grunt doing that. So that's it. This is our home page. I think it looks all right. Okay, but what we need to do now is we need some links in the menu. I'm not positive where we do that. But what we need to do is in this modules folder, in the public folder, we need to have a jobs folder just like the rest of these, articles, core, and users. So what I'm going to do here is let's see, articles. Let's just copy the articles folder, and we're going to call it jobs. And we'll have our own set of files in here. We gotta change this stuff. So this will be jobs.client.module, and change all of these. Kind of tedious, but it's better than creating everything from scratch. I'll tell you that. Controllers. Service. And we probably won't be using some of these. Okay, views. Okay, we'll have create job. That'll be a view. Edit job. List job or jobs. And view job. Alright, so first thing, let me see what's in here. Okay, so with this we want application configuration, register module, jobs. Okay, that'll register our jobs module, so save that. Let's see, let's go over here. Config. Okay, so this is where we can set our menu stuff. So configuring the jobs module, change this. Jobs, okay, .run menus, and then menus add item, and the menu we want to add to is the top bar, and it's going to say jobs. And this will go to jobs create. Let's see, this one is going to be to list. Someone should really build some kind of wizard that will let you easily create this stuff automatically. Maybe I should build that. And then this will be jobs/create. Alright, so that should be all set. Okay, it's not going to show yet. Let's see, client routes. Okay, we need to replace all these. I'm just going to pause and do this. Alright guys, so basically this is going to configure our routes. Okay, so we have list jobs, URL is going to be jobs, template URL is going to be list jobs, same thing here, create job, view job, and edit job. Alright, so that's just going to set up our routes, front end routes. Alright. Okay, next thing, the services. We want to change this stuff as well. Jobs.factory, jobs, and we want this to be job ID, and this is where it's going to call the this is where the job by ID function comes in. Alright, that looks good. Okay, now for the controllers, let's deal with that. Basically what I'm going to do right now is go through and change all the articles to jobs. Alright, so I replaced all the articles instance with jobs. Now what we need to do is, let's take a look at this create method. Oh, actually, we need to change this to jobs controller. And let me just double check everything here. Okay, article ID should be job ID. Alright, should be all set. So you can see here we're creating a new object, new jobs object, and what we need to do is we need to provide it with all the fields. This is for the article, title, and content. As you know, we have a lot more fields than this, so we're going to have to add those. Alright, so let's do company, and we'll say this dot company. Alright, let me just copy that. Okay, so we'll have a description. This description. We will have hourly wage.